Today's video is going to be on addition and subtraction word problems with numbers up to 10 and 20. And I've also included some number sentences to go along with this. So let's go ahead and take a look at those now. Samantha buys 27 pencils. She gives 7 to her classmates. How many pencils does she have now? So looking at this problem here, what are we going to do? Are we going to add or subtract? That's right, we're going to subtract. And how are we going to set up the subtraction problem here? That's right, you're going to write 27 minus 7. Now, what's the answer to this? How many pencils does Samantha have now? That's right, she has 20 pencils. Sean has 4 apples. His cousin has 3 oranges. His sister brings 4 strawberries. How many fruits do they all have? So again, my question here is, what are we going to do? Are we going to add or subtract? That's right, we're going to add on this problem. And what are we going to add? How are we going to set up these numbers? Right, it's going to be 4 plus 3 plus 4. And what does that equal? That's right, it's 11 fruits. So that's how many they all have together is 11 fruits. There are 8 cats in the tree and 7 on the ground. How many cats are there? So again, for this one, I put the cats above me to represent the ones in the tree and the ones below me to represent the ones on the ground. So what are we going to do here? We're going to add or subtract. That's right, we're going to add. And how are we going to set this problem up? That's right, you're going to say there's going to be 8 cats plus 7. What does that equal? That's right, the answer is going to be there are 15 cats altogether. I have 19 coins. I give 7 to my mom. How many coins do I have now? So again, my question is, what are we going to do? Are we going to add or are we going to subtract? Yes, we're going to subtract. And how are we going to set up this problem here? Yes, you're going to write 19 minus 7. And what does that equal, by the way? What is the answer to this? That's right, the answer is 12 coins. Okay, so I just wanted to give you some examples of number sentences with some word problems, and including like what is the value of the problem here. Like in this one, it's 12 coins here. So I just wanted to add that feature that I didn't put in my previous video. I also caught a mistake too, by the way, which I wanted to correct, so I apologize for that. Okay, so these are some just problems that you can use to practice. You can pause this anytime to do it and just get some, a little bit of addition and subtraction practice in there. Okay, so that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And I look forward to seeing you on my next video.